In this clip, we'll talk about Strand 1. And this is where students will utilize information and technology tools to conduct business effectively and efficiently. That means that we learn how to use the technology to be more productive in our work. Strand 1 will reinforce basic skills and professionalism needed to work in the digital world. You'll learn how to navigate the internet, how to use search engines, how to be able to use shortcuts to find information that you're looking for. Wildcards like an asterisk key, question marks as a placeholder, minus key as do not include. These are some of the things that you should have learned during the class. You'll also validate the authenticity of the website. As you may recall, you're looking for the lock in the address bar, and you're looking for HTTPS. A credible website would be more or less spelling error-free, proper grammar, minimal use of advertising. These are some of the things that we would look for. And then practice effective usage of online resources for professional communications. So, as appropriate, you write a concise subject line, and it should summarize the body of the message. You'll also properly address other professionals in the email using appropriate professional language. Limited use of emoticons or emojis. In fact, a professional email, when you do not know the recipients, should be free from these icons and emoticons. In Standard 2, we explore the applications of digital technology on the internet for business and educational use. We had you create a digital portfolio. We used a tool from Google Sites, to build our website. We added to that website a number of content, many pieces of content such as a blog, a podcast, a presentation. These are just some of the things that we have done. You'll explore freeware. You've used most of the Google applications. That would be an example of freeware. Use cloud computing to improve productivity by designing, saving, and uploading documents in an online account. And this is where we are storing documents not in the literal cloud, but in the virtual cloud, where we can post documents that can be easily accessed by others, edited by others, shared with others. Use online collaboration tools such as a calendar, documents, and presentation sharing. We showed you how to insert your Google Calendar in your Google site or your web page. And that is more or less a subscription to an RSS feed, real simple syndication. Explore the benefits of social networking as a business tool, including professional portfolios, blogs, privacy settings, and safety issues. You're familiar with many of the social networking, social media tools, and this allows us to share our content and to allow others to comment on our content, give us feedback. Certainly that is the case with our blogs. Understand the personal and business use of apps on digital devices. We have a lot of applications that you would have access to. Some are free, some that you pay for. Some are more for business use, and some are for personal use. And of course, some are used for both. We had you use tools like Canva, and Canva was a tool that you could quickly put together posters, You can also put together a lot of design very quickly. An infographic is another example. Use and understand file conversion software tools to convert multiple file types. Well, you may recall we talked about PDF files. PDF files is the Adobe Portable Document File, and that is a universally accepted file format which maintains the integrity of the file. It suggests that whatever you see on your screen should be the way that PDF file looks when shared with others. A number of different file types that you learned about, including PNG, which is a image type format, and that is a portable network graphic. We talked about JPEG, Joint Photographers Expert Group, MPEG, Motion Picture Expert Group. We talked about a doc file, which is a Microsoft Word document file. A PPTX file extension is a PowerPoint. .xls is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. There are numerous of file types, and you'll want to get acquainted with those. An RTF file, as you may recall, is a rich text format. It was created by Microsoft in an attempt to create a universal file format when there were several different word processors available. If you have any other questions about Strand 1, just remember that this is an introductory. This is 19% of the test. So be familiar with the tools, how they're used, how files are shared with others, and how these tools will help you to be more productive, more efficient using information technology.